Okay folks, we're going to swap out this shifter lever with this here shifter lever. Okay, it's a pretty straightforward and simple process. Get yourself a little punch and a little hammer. There's a pin right here. Okay, that's the only thing to hold this thing in. And behind this here in front is a spring. That's why when you go to put in gear, you got to pull it back to go up or down with it. There's that spring. There's a spring right in front of it. When you pull this out, don't lose that spring. So get your punch on the bottom here, a little hole. Just tap up real easy. Okay. Pull that out. Do not lose that. All right. That's what it looks like. Now, just work this thing out. It pulls right out. Okay. That's where the pin goes. The spring goes up against here. So, we're swapping that with this. Okay. The way this goes in, just go in with this pointing towards this way because you want to get in front of that spring. Okay. And then line up your holes. It went right in. It went right in. Just give it a little tap, make sure it's not coming out. Make sure you got the spring action. There you go. That's all it is. See that? You got to pull it backward to get it in gear. That spring's very important. And that's all there is, folks. That's how you do it. Alright? Okay. This is the old shifter. Does anybody want this thing? Still in great shape. I like this, I really do. But I will give it away as long as you're a subscriber to the channel. Yeah. So anyways, that's all it is. Pretty simple. Okay. Pop out that pin, pull it up, yank this out, slide that back in front of that pin, drop the pin back in. Make sure you got that spring behind there, like that, and that's all it takes. That's all it is. Quick and easy. You could do it in 5 minutes or less. Alright, that's it for now. Enjoy your day.